Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and never miss another update from Untitled Java. In this video, we will see how to upload files to AWS S3 bucket using Spring Boot and Ajax. Here is the demo which we are going to cover in this video. I created one button for upload, so when I click it, pop-up will open and select the image and click on upload. So once upload done, we'll get message file uploaded successfully. Let's open Untitled Java GitHub. Open first link. We are going to download last committed Spring Boot project. Let's open Spring Boot pagination advanced link. Download this project as a zip. Unzip this project. Now let's import this project and Spring source. Click on Finish. Project imported. Open MySQL because we are starting from scratch, so no database available. And one more thing, I updated my MySQL, so need to add dependency version also. As you can see, MySQL version is 8.0. Open POM XML files. Add MySQL version like 8.0.11. Change database name from Spring Boot to Untitled Java. Create a database with the same name. Database created. Let's run this project and see it's working or not. See, server started. Open data SQL files and execute required queries like role and user related. Add database name as well before the table name. See, now executed successfully. See, 2 records are created. Execute a query for the user also. Here we changed one column mobile number to the mobile, so change and execute this as well. See, executed successfully. One record created for the user. Replace these queries in data SQL also. Now let's open the application. Click the bookmark URL. Login page opens. Enter the username and password. See, it's working. I am just going to remove cache functionality. Remove the cache dependency. Delete cache config file. Remove the annotations which we added for cache in the previous video. That's it we need to remove. Let's restart the server. Server started. To make sure it's working fine, let's add one user, and for that user add one address. see user added successfully. Add one address also. The address also added successfully. Now let's start implement the desired functionality. So first let's add one more variable for profile photo, taking as a string because we are going to store a Amazaon S3 URL. That's it for user class. Now once image uploaded, so it should show that open list JSP page. So before the full name, we are going to display the profile image. Let's add a simple condition like if the image is there then show actual image, otherwise show a default image. That's it for now in this file. As you can see, user icon is showing before the full name. You can see profile photo column also created for user table. Now let's see from where we are going to upload the image. Open form JSP page. After all drop-down, we will add one button. Let's add simple code for the button. Why button? Why not file attribute? Because we are already inside user form, so we cannot keep form inside a form. So we will create one button, and when we click on that button, pop-up will open. Using that pop-up we will upload the image. See button created. Now on click of that pop-up will open. Add changes which are required to open pop-up. Watch the entire video. We will do everything one by one. Add pop-up related code. We added basic code. Let's check pop-up is coming or not. See not coming. Actually, nothing is happening, because we have not included Bootstrap.js. Open welcome JSP. Add Bootstrap.js message query. That's it. Refresh the page. See now something is happening but nothing is coming, because we haven't added anything for this pop-up. Let's add required code for pop-up. Let's check now what are the things coming for pop-up. C is coming with some details. After user profile, we added user full name also, but that is not coming. Add form id and another basic form attribute. This time we are going to upload, so need to add dank type also, and that value should be multi-part. Add file attribute. Add hidden id also, otherwise how will we know for which user we are going to upload? Let's refresh and check it's working or not. See, it's working, the only full name is not coming. See, in case of edit is coming. Add one simple condition, so only in case of edit upload button should appear, and for add, it should not come. The same condition will add for pop-up code also. Let's check. See, for add, upload button is not coming. And for edit, it's coming. That is expected. The user interface is done. Now let's see how to submit this form with the file using HAC. Open jQuery save file. Now add the required code to submit this form. Prevent default, so button submit default feature will not working. Once file uploaded successfully, show toaster notification. After that, fetch user list. Need to hide this model, so these lines are required. That's it for this file. Now open constant utils file. Here we are going to add AWS related properties. like endpoint URL, access key, secret key, bucket name. Not now, we will add once all coding is done. Now let's search for Amazaon AWS Java SDK Maven dependency. Copy and paste it in POM XML file. Now let's create an interface for Amazon service. Add one simple method for upload file which expects two parameters. One is multi-part file and other is user. Now to implement this, create a new class called Amazon Service Implementation. Annotate this class as service. Create Amazaon S3 reference. Now add basic code. Create a new private method to convert multi-part to file. Add required code. It's very simple. We will use this method in upload file to convert multi-part to file. Now add remaining code. So if the file name contains space, then replace with an underscore. And add current timestamp before file name, so after store file name always unique. File URL will be the combination of endpoint URL plus bucket name plus file name. This one line is very important because this is the one which goes to store the file in the S3 bucket. AWS-related code is done. Now add simple logic, so when file saved, then add some message so we can render in Toaster notification. Add logic to save this in user table also. Anyhow, we have a user object, and file URL is nothing but the profile photo value, so set this. That's it for this file. Add one simple check, like if profile photo was not existed, then only set password and role. That's it for this file. Add the REST call to perform all this. Open user controller. Add Amazaon service variable and annotate with auto wired. Add new REST call for upload. Add required annotations. That's it for user controller. Now it's time to add value for those properties which we created in constant utils file. Search for Amazaon console login. Open first link. Click on sign into the console. Enter email address. Enter the password. Click on sign in. See dashboard opens. Now first we need access and secret key. So click on services. Click on I am. Now click on delete your root access keys. Click on manage security credentials. Click on access keys. Click on create a new access key. Click on show access key. Copy this access and secret key and paste it in constant utils file. This is done. Now again click on services. Click on S3. See no bucket. Click on create a bucket. Give some bucket name. Click on next. Click on next. Click on create a bucket. See bucket created. Copy the bucket name and paste it in constant utils file. Now open permissions table. And under public access, there is a column read bucket permissions. Now it's blank. Ideally, it should yes, then only we can access those images from outside. Let's see how to change that. Check the checkboxes and click on save. See now column values changed. Now for endpoint URL, check the region. Let's enter endpoint URL. All four properties are done. Let's start the server. Server started. Let's check file upload is happening or not. It's not working, throwing some exception. because I missed the one important part in Amazaon service class. Need to create Amazaon S3 client object using access and secret key. Let's create a new method called initialize Amazaon and create Amazaon S3 client object. Annotate this method as post construct. That's it. Server already running. It started again. Refresh the page and start again. See, this time success message came. The image is not rendering. See URL also save. Open list page. Add the profile photo because we have not added last time. See, src is empty. That's it. See, the image is coming. Check in S3 bucket also. See here also image added. Add an image for another user also. See, it's working. Let's add one user, and during the edit, we will add an image. See, user saved successfully. Now upload image. The image also uploaded successfully. Increase the width and height. See, it's looking clearly. In S3 also 3 images are showing. Let's review whatever we added one by one. Here I'm not going to explain, just showing one by one all the files which we modified. I committed the code as well. Search for GitHub Mighty. Open first link. Click on repositories. See the first one, Spring Boot JSP S3, open this link. This is the code which we implemented in this video. Open some of the files. See, AWS related code is there. Click on Clone or Download button and use it. There is one more thing I did for you. I created a blog as well. Search for Almighty Java WordPress. Click the second link. See, here is a blog. Go through each and every section. Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.